Well, here we are at 4YFN Barcelona and booth 116 here at Rivetz Corporation. We have our partner PeerStream, Eric Sakowitz, CTO. What brings you here?
Well, thanks for asking that wonderful question. We are happy to be in Barcelona, thanks to Rivetz, to present PeerStream solutions. PeerStream is about private and secure communications. PeerStream as a company has been around for 20 years. We have been providing services to consumers, video communication, group chat solutions, and part of what we learned in doing that and operating the business is how to secure and protect our users' identity and their anonymity on a global scale. We've taken a lot of that technology and externalized it into our own protocol. It's called PeerStream Protocol. Very apropos name, I guess. With it comes a bunch of SDKs, cross-platform SDKs, that allow any developer or company to leverage our technology. Our technology is a routing technology. It allows any data or messaging solution to be securely transmitted from one point to another. We use a flavor of the onion routing, which powers the dark web. That's about as far as I'll go with that technology.
Right.
But it ensures that there is not only security, but privacy and a lack of the ability for people to identify the user there. So we're here to showcase that.
Excellent. Tell us about your partnership with Rivetz.
Oh, well, Rivetz is the one that actually sponsored us coming out here. We're in the booth with Rivetz because I, as a CTO of the company, I'm very selfish in technologies that help my users, my applications become more secure or private. And Rivetz brings to us an SDK and ability to talk to this wonderful chip called the Trusted Execution Environment within each of our smartphones. So this is a place where we can use hardware level encryption to encrypt all the data from the device through our protocol to the other end that can then decrypt it, along with the key creation. So no longer do we have to be worried about the operating system the phone lives on to potentially have any exposures to corrupting that data or intercepting that data or changing it for fraud. So obviously Rivetz brings that to the table. Along with that, Rivetz is introducing us to other partners within their ecosystem, and that's great for us.
Chris Smith, Head of Sales and Business Development from Civic.
Hey guys.
Chris, what's going on?
Yeah, we're here in Barcelona at the 4 Years From Now conference, partnered with Rivetz, Wanchain, and the Telefonica team. So very excited to be here to learn what's going on in the mobile category, particularly around cybersecurity and identity.
Excellent. Tell us more about Civic.
So Civic is a blockchain-based digital identity platform, and our core focus is to provide everyone in the world with a digital identity so they can prove who they are when they're making a purchase or they're logging into their website. And the goal is to ensure that everyone has consent on who they're sharing their digital identity with, and moving from a traditional centralized database scheme where we've seen a lot of major hacks to a decentralized scheme to keep the consumers protected.
That's excellent. Yeah. And tell us more about your relationship and partnership with Rivetz.
So Rivetz has been a great partner so far. Obviously, we're all just getting started in the blockchain space. But where Rivetz provides us a new opportunity is their dual roots of trust to ensure that everyone has a private key on their mobile device. So we provide the identity, Rivetz provides the hardware, and it's a nice, seamless package for a telco like Telefonica to provide to their consumers.
That's great. Oliver Birch, Head of Communications at Wanchain. So Oliver, tell us, what brings you here to Barcelona?
So we're at Barcelona, 4 Years From Now conference to demonstrate our cross-chain wallet and how the different technologies from Civic and Rivetz work together with the Wanchain interoperability, which I'll go into more detail after.
That's great. So Wanchain, please tell us more about it.
Sure. So Wanchain is a fork of Ethereum, which means it uses the same programming language, Solidity, and any tools and dApps currently on Ethereum can be easily migrated over to Wanchain. But there's two key features that distinguishes us from Ethereum. One is the privacy. So using Monero's technology, people are able to send private transactions to each other. And the second part, which is really our competitive advantage, is cross-chain. So we are one of the leading interoperability platforms. We've so far integrated with Ethereum and Bitcoin. And what makes us different from the other cross-chain platforms is that we lock an asset on its respective chain, and then we create a proxy token, which is a one-to-one original receipt of the locked asset. So you're moving all of these assets from different chains into one address, one platform. And we can go beyond that and do it with data, with loyalty points, and so forth. So, yep, that's a snapshot of what we do.
Tell us more about your partnership with Rivetz.
Sure. So, since we're doing this cross-chain wallet and you're storing all this value, you need something to protect your private keys and in a trusted environment. And leveraging the Rivetz SDK, we're able to do so. So you can verify that whatever you're sending from your device is truly yours. And that's very important with everything that's going on to scams and people sending transactions from other people's accounts because they have their private keys and so forth. So that's why it's very important for us to have this solution. And nothing comes close to it.
That's great. Oliver, thank you very much. Oliver Birch from Wanchain.
Thank you.
Have a great day.